Hi, I'm Matt Whiting. I'm the Global Technical Director for the Yachts business, which incorporates Leopard Catamarans. For this week, we've been in Cape Town. We gathered together from each region of the globe, the service managers, the technical agents, and technicians, along with the warranty support team, along with some of the regional managers for each of those areas, which is the Oceania, Asia, Europe, and the Americas.
I am the manager for Leopard Catamarans in the Americas.
I am the service manager for the Americas.
I'm the global warranty coordinator for the U.S. Leopard office.
I am a service technician for Leopard Catamarans.
I assist the new owners with the commissioning and the handover process and follow up with their warranty claims.
Hi, I'm Kit from Leopard Catamarans Asia, based in Phuket, Thailand.
I'm part of the Asia After Sales and Warranty team.
From the Australian office, I work in the yacht ownership team for Sunflower Moorings.
I'm a sales rep for Australia and New Zealand.
I'm part of the Leopard Cape Town team. I manage all the owners in Cape Town taking a delivery of the yachts in Cape Town. I look after them while they're here. I also manage all the aftermarket projects.
I'm representing Leopard South Africa for the region Africa, Mauritius and Seychelles in the Middle East.
The opportunity came about in order to continue our investment into our people and our owners and provide an interaction with the factory, the Robertson & Kane factory, to ensure that the individuals who get to regularly communicate through virtual and through written communications got to interact with one another on a physical basis, ensuring that they can enhance that relationship they already have and further strengthen it. We also discussed some of the commonalities of the owner concerns to ensure that we had uniform and accurate solutions to any of those concerns. We had the great opportunity for the team to further understand all the manufacturing process. That manufacturing process really will enable them to answer with accuracy what they're needed to for each and every owner when and if they have any concerns. So the global team also had the opportunity to interact with our Cape Town-based teams who received the yachts from the factory, go through the commissioning process, ensure that the yachts are properly and appropriately wrapped and protected for their onward transit to all the owners. So it was an excellent opportunity for everyone to see some of their challenges and also some of the things that the lengths they go to in order to protect the yacht pre-shipping. The Cape Town team and managers and individuals at Robertson & Kane made the whole team feel superbly welcome and encouraged everyone to return at their earliest opportunity. It was a great week.